In the world of business, it is not only rare, but it's also kind of wonderful when you come across a family-owned business that has been around for many, many years and that has continued to grow and prosper as the children have come on board and add their ideas and talents to the mix. This is a classic example of what we're talking about. It's the Delfino Insulation Company, headquartered in Bohemia on New York's Long Island. The company was started 47 years ago by Michael Delfino Sr., who had $300 borrowed dollars in his pocket, a pickup truck, and his wife by his side. Today, the company has grown to the point where he has 60 huge delivery trucks, over 200 employees, and 6 locations, including this magnificent facility in upstate New York in Middletown. 4 of the couple's children and 1 grandchild now work for the company. Together, they provide a wide array of building materials to contractors and homeowners from Albany all the way to Montauk.
The company offers multiple products to make a builder's life easier, make his job easier. Builders today, with the cost of building a home, are downsizing themselves, their staff. So by bundling products, they have to deal with one person, one subcontractor that's doing multiple products, and it makes his job much easier. Right now we're located, corporate offices in Bohemia, Long Island. We have a fireplace and stone division located in Holtzville. We have a insulation, foundation, waterproofing, closet, and fire caulking division in East Hampton, Bohemia, and Westbury, and now up here in Middletown, New York.
Michael, what do you think it is that makes this company so unique or special?
The real uniqueness of this company is that we offer only the best products. We research everything we do deeply. We will not use inferior products. So when you deal with Delfino, you're dealing with absolutely the best manufacturers out there. We kind of look at ourselves not in each type of product we do, we look at ourselves as consultants to the builder, as opposed to just a subcontractor hired to do the job. We'll have seminars, invite builders, building inspectors, anybody. The general public is welcome to come to these things. And with our manufacturers, we'll put on a whole day seminar and teach people about these products. We stay very active in all the different organizations relating to each product. Myself with the insulation, which is the thing I'm more proficient in than anything. I get involved with the ICAA, the National Insulation Contractors Exchange, deeply involved with the Long Island Builders Association. So we stay active, very active in the industry. We're proud of what we do and the products we use, and we want people to understand the difference between the different products that are out there.
A lot of people are downsizing the furniture in their bedrooms, so they're adding the drawers and so forth, closetry in the closets. Traditionally, any home built years ago had one shelf, one piece of wire. Today we're going in, we can almost triple the amount of clothing you can put in a home, in a closet. Basically works on 2 ways. This particular unit sits on the floor, but it also can hang on the wall. So you don't lose the 10 inches on the floor space. So some people have fancy moldings in these newer homes, so we're above the molding. It hangs off the wall. It can hang almost 200 to 300 pounds on a hanging rod.
And do you do these closets for children's rooms too?
Children's rooms, babies' rooms, laundry rooms, garages, master bathrooms, master bedrooms, linen closets. The avenue is endless.
And what other kind of products do you provide in what you call your after paint division?
With the after paint division, we also do, we're a Home Alliance dealer for Hunter Douglas blinds. We supply you with window blinds and treatments. We do mirrors over the vanities in the bathroom, any mirrors in the home. We do custom shower enclosures. We also do the bath hardware in the bathroom, towel rod, toilet paper holder, and we also do custom cabinetry. We make wood for furniture, cabinetry, countertops.
We deal 100% in what is referred to as manufactured fireplaces. They're fireplaces that are built in a factory, pre-assembled. Our job is to take them, install them, connect venting to them, then decorate them for the builder trade. Fireplaces are made for either wood burning or gas burning. It's built under controlled circumstances. It's tested and listed by underwriter laboratories. Fireplaces have found themselves into many, many different rooms in the home now. Where it used to be the living room or the family room, We put many into bedrooms. We put them into master baths, into outdoor Florida rooms.
You have another unique kind of fireplace here. It really is a waterfall. What's the story on it?
It's kind of like the fountain principle. It's a waterfall that you can actually put in front of the fireplace. So as you're viewing it, you're viewing the fire through a wall of water.
One of the areas that we specialize in is below-grade foundation waterproofing. The benefits of that today are that people want to finish below-grade space into family rooms, theater rooms, home offices. So people finish this space today. They want the area to be dry. We have the technology to do that today. A lot of people seek that value.
Is this really hard to do? And can you put it on an existing home, or can you only do this on newly constructed homes?
You can put it on an existing home, absolutely. The warranties are limited to an existing home because you have to completely clean a below-grade wall on an existing home. And it becomes difficult to see any cracks or anything that might be going on behind what was originally dam-proofed in that house.
Decorative stone is one of the special features that we carry. It is a man-made product out of lightweight concrete. One of the manufacturers is Owens Corning cultured stone. That's what we sell mostly of. We have river rocks, dressed field stones, ledge stones, dry stack stones, southern ledge. We also have ones that are called Eurocastle. People are making now in their backyards, less travel going on. You can use this to do patio walls, barbecue pits, benches. It's limitless.
You have a computer program where you can put someone's home's picture on the screen and actually show them how their house would appear with different stones on it.
We have a program that enables us to take a photo of a house or a drawing of a house, and we can put stone on the house for them. If a customer, one person wants a river rock, the other one wants a ledge stone, we can put both on the house and let the customer actually see what the finished product will look like on their home.
Michael, tell me about insulation. I know that's your area of specialty here. What's out there and what's new on the market?
It is our focal point. It's probably the largest portion of our business. It's changed over the last few years. The manufacturers are keying into the needs of the new home. There are still the old-fashioned, fiberglass bat insulations that's been around for years, but there are now available. A lot of the manufacturers, John Mansell, for instance, has a tremendous R&D department coming up with a lot of new products. A couple of years ago, they've just introduced 100% formaldehyde-free insulation, and we use a lot of that. We really promote that. We think it's an important issue. A lot of the products we use in the homes today, carpeting, some of the cabinetry that we use, and all these things have formaldehyde in it. Each one individually is not a major issue, but start adding them all together, you got an issue. So everybody's looking at these kind of things, and JM's doing a great job. They took the formaldehyde out. But it's the adding up of all the products in your home. Most everything has it, and your carpet companies are taking it out now. Your wood companies are starting to take it out. Everybody is. It's a concern. The biggest concern right now is a healthy home. That's the buzzword of today, a healthy home. We're making the houses tighter. The windows are better. The doors are better. Construction methods are just even better. We're insulating them tighter.
I know one of the big products you have, the new one, is called the Spider. Explain what that is.
It's a sprayed-on application. Instead of the old-fashioned bat application, it's a product that is a loose fiber that's put in a machine and applied with an adhesive. Cavities are filled up with the product and scrubbed down. The whole face of it is scrubbed down, so it's ready for sheetrock. The great part about it is once it sticks to the wood, and it becomes part of the structure. You've now eliminated any air voids. It's a monolithic seal.
And what about fire caulking? I know you do that. What is it and what do you do?
Fire caulking is fairly new in this part of the country. When you build a new home, you have your bottom plate on a wall and your top plate on a wall. That plate is there for structural reasons, but it's also there as a fire stop. When holes are drilled in it for electrical wires, plumbing, air conditioning, sometimes those holes are a little larger than the object going through. The excess void needs to be filled with something because the code requires you to bring that fire stop back to its original integrity.
As we pointed out, Michael Delfino Sr. started this company going on half a century ago. We talked with Michael and his wife Eleanor about what it was like when he started this company so long ago.
I started this company back in 1958. I saw an ad in the paper, an insulation contractor. I applied for the job, I got it, and I worked for them for about a year. Then I went in business by myself, and lo and behold, with my sons and daughters.
They brought new ideas. I mean, we were still Grandma and Grandpa, and they brought in new ideas to the business and helped it grow tremendously. It's really fabulous that we went from a little pickup truck and a little garage to what we are today.
Michael, looking down the road, 5, 10 years from now, what do you see this company doing? Where would you like to take it?
I would like to change the way builders look at us. I'd like them to look at us more as consultants than subs. I would like to see the future where they're contacting us prior to actually even digging the hole for the house. Have us sit with the architects. Houses today need to be put together as a system instead of looking at everything separate. If an architect sits with me, I can give him an insulation package that the HVAC man can actually probably reduce the tonnage he needs, and therefore saving the builder money on building that home.
The very interesting and truly heartwarming story of the Delfino Insulation Company, a name, incidentally, which doesn't begin to describe all of the various products they offer. I'm Doug Llewelyn reporting from Middletown, New York.
Well, that does it for this edition of Close Up on America's Business. I'm Janice Marie. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.